What's up everyone, Lex DeVille here, and today we have two things to talk about. The first of those being the framework proposal template. What is it? What is it for? How are you going to use it to send proposals on Upwork faster than ever and get better responses? And then we've got an announcement coming too about Advanced Upwork Proposals Volume 2. So if that's something you are curious about, you want to hear about, then this is the video for you. We're going to talk about those framework proposal templates today, and I'm going to clue you in on a little secret about the old Advanced Upwork Profile or Proposals course also. So if that's what you want, stick around. Hey minions, if you're new to the channel and you like what I have to say, then be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Only do this if you like what I have to say and if you want to hear more about freelancing, entrepreneurship, and personal world domination. Alright, so check it out. First things first, announcement. Advanced Upwork Proposals Volume 2. That is all of my latest and greatest proposal tactics, my proposal techniques, all of the best stuff that I've got. It's all in a new proposal course and it is coming out. This is not a remake of the old course. This is not a copy of the old course or anything like that. It's a brand new course with brand new tactics. And it's going to really help people out. This week I sent 3 proposals. Last week I sent 2. I got 3 responses this week. I got 2 responses last week. And yeah, it's that good. So that leads into today's topic, which is about framework proposal templates, what those are and what they can do for you. So for those of you who have been through Advanced Upwork Proposals, the original one, the original Udemy course, course is really good. It's got really good reviews and it is a bestseller on Udemy. So that means it's the best one. It's the best course. It's just the best proposal course out there. And you can go take that if you haven't taken it. It's still got plenty of good information and I'm not changing the information that's in there because the like tricks and tactics and techniques and all of that stuff and just the basic idea of focus too that's in there. It's all really good. It's still good and still useful and it still applies today. But we had one problem with the course, and the problem was that I created a template that people could use to build their own templates from, that they could develop their own template out of. And that template, unfortunately, did not get used the way I intended for it to be used. What actually happened was that the 2,000 something plus out of the 2,000 something students that I have, many people took that template and just copied it and pasted it straight into Upwork, which never made any sense to me because it totally violates focus. There's no way you could take that template and just drop it into Upwork and have it be a focus template. So what happens is people don't get results from it, and then they say that focus doesn't work even though they're using the template, and even though they're using focus, but they're not. They're not using focus, they're using the template. In the course I said don't use the template, because that was going to be a problem. It was not going to work for you if you did it that way, but just people ignored it. So what I've done is I've created a whole new course, and in that new course, there's not a template. It's not a template like that. Instead, we focus on building a framework proposal template, and the framework proposal template is designed to solve this problem. So the problem with using the template is, one, the original template is not tailored to your audience. It's not customized for each individual client. The other problem is that thousands of people have been through that course, so thousands of people have had access to the same template. And the original template was designed to solve the problem that freelancers already had of looking like each other, of being very similar, of sending the exact same kinds of proposals that said, I have X years of experience, I have X degrees, I am therefore qualified. We were trying to solve that problem of freelancers not standing out because their proposals look exactly the same every single time. But we actually created that problem because now freelancers are taking the template and using it repeatedly, and so all these people who've been through the course have the same proposal template, which does not look unique in any way, shape, or form. And that's not going to be focused, and that's not going to get results. So in comes the framework proposal template. And that's that's the focus of the new Advanced Upwork Proposals Volume 2 course, which will go live sometime between today and Monday. I sent it off to Udemy for publishing yesterday, so it's ready and it's out there, but we have to wait for Udemy to review it. But in the course, one of the main focuses is on developing a framework proposal template. So it is still a template, technically, but we're going to work together in the course to develop a template for you. And that means that when you go through this course, the modules are going to walk you through how to build your own unique template that is fully unique to you. No other freelancer is going to have access to this. It is 100% unique to you because you work on it throughout the course. And then when you're done, you come away with a template that only you have access to. Not only that, but I've got a framework that I use that you're going to kind of fit the pieces together. And then once you have this template in place, now all you have to do is swap some of the information out for the client, for a different client. So this assumes that you're working in specific industries. So let's say you're working in the legal industry. Then you've got a framework proposal template for the legal industry, and you already know the things that you need to say for that industry. So now you just need to adjust some pieces each time you write a proposal. You can drop your template in, you can swap the information out with relevant information for the current client, and then send it off to them and then get results. So that assumes, though, that you take the time to craft a unique template, a unique framework template where you can just shift this information around. It speeds up your proposal writing process because you don't have to create your proposals from scratch. Now, in an ideal world, you would create your proposals from scratch because the more unique your proposal is, the more it stands out from other proposals, the more likely it is to get a response. But I know a lot of people out there want a template, and they want a way to send proposals fast, and they want a way to send proposals to more clients and have an actual chance to get a response. So that's what this is. So we do go into UFocus in the course. We go back over that. We cover some of the mistakes I've seen people make over the last several years, some of the big mistakes that keep holding people back again and again, even when they think they're using UFocus. We cover that. We get into some new psychological tips and tactics, things that I've learned over the past several years, and then we go into the framework proposal template and we just start working on it module by module. We go line by line, paragraph by paragraph, and I show you what to put where, what each section is for, and then you just go build it for yourself. Once you have your framework proposal template, then you've got something unique to you. No other freelancer is going to have it. So even though you're sending a template out, because it's tailored and targeted toward your industry, it's going to be relevant for most clients in that industry. So you only have to make minor adjustments. Again, you're not having to craft this thing from scratch. You just make minor adjustments and then you send your proposal. And because you develop this on your own while working through the course, you're going to be able to get results, and you're going to have something that is unique to you and no other freelancer is going to have it. So that is what makes this course so valuable. That is the primary difference in this course versus Advanced Upwork Proposals 1. It's not just the addition of new tactics to help you get results, but it's also the addition of the framework proposal template and the idea that you can have a unique template that only you have access to that gets you results. And not only do we talk about what to put where in this template, I also describe how to test the template, how to make sure that your template gets results, how to get the best possible version of your template so that you can put those proposals out there and hopefully get responses. So that's the main thing. That's coming out here in just a few days. One other announcement, if you are in Advanced Upwork Profiles, if you've already taken that course, then I'm going to be making some updates to that over the next few days. You should see those by Monday unless I just get really bogged down in work. There's going to be a bonus modules section at the end of Advanced Upwork Profiles where you can go and see all of the new information that I've got for how to develop a really powerful profile on Upwork. That's going to include the new stuff like creating projects, the testimonial section, some changes to portfolio pieces and things like that. Some things that aren't in there currently that will really benefit you, I think. So if that's something you're interested in, go check that out by probably Monday, maybe Tuesday at the latest. I have to record the modules and then I have to get them uploaded. And we're kind of in launch mode with Advanced Upwork Proposals Volume 2. Man, sometimes I wish I hadn't named these things so closely together. It makes it hard to talk about them. Anyway, that's all I've got for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Lex DeVille. If you have any questions, drop them in a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.